Frankie was on the table with me, and I forgot to start the camera. I shut it off while he was hanging out. I have a 0.9 millimeter Pentel pencil, graphite. This is my Stillman and Burn sketchbook. I think it's mixed media paper. Not sure what kind of paper it is. It's nice and smooth. And I'm drawing some snow pea pods. And I'm not exactly being exact. Not really 100% into photorealism. I can draw photorealistically, but I find it to be tedious and boring. And I apologize for the background noise. It's summer. We have our windows open because we don't have air conditioning or central air, and you're going to hear the neighbors mowing from time to time. I have some gouache and some watercolor here, and we're going to have at it. This is the Neo Art watercolor, water-soluble wax pastel. To me, they're watercolor crayons. I think the Neo Arts precede the Neo Color 2 wax, water-soluble wax pastels. Timeline wise, and I have not been able to find these online. I have the box of 48, I think it is, or 60. Neo Color 2. You may have seen in a previous video, I did some swatching, color studies, of blues and purples and pinks for the snow pea pods. Got some greens going here for the stems. This is the Woody 3-in-1 pencil by Stabilo. I really wish they had a nice violet color. They have this lovely lavender or periwinkle blue. Not sure what color they call it. It just has a number 880-303. This is a Stedletter Cobalt Blue. This is the Neo Color I thought I had grabbed. This is the No, it's not the Prussian Blue. Forget which blue it is. The Prussian Blue is a different color, darker. And so this depicts a clump of blossoms on this page in this book right here. Let's tilt that so you can see it without a glare. This is the book, Floret Farms, A Year in Flowers by Benzenkind and Benzenkind. The book is a 10/10 for inspirational material. Highly recommend. And we don't want that yet. We're not going to hit that. I almost picked up a wax pastel. We'll do that after we get this done. Alright, time for some water. And then once this is dry, I'll go into it with some wax pastel, some watercolor pencils, and maybe some more graphite, possibly even some charcoal, white charcoal. That's a piece of deli wrap paper that I put in between the pages to keep the paint from leaking onto the page beneath it. It might get onto the underside right here, but that's not a big deal. A lot of times I only draw or sketch on this side and write on this side. And I paint on this side. I have a new community tab on my YouTube channel. If you were inclined to click it, I have a couple of quizzes or polls there asking you what your favorite painting mediums are. And I'll be posting other stuff there. It looks like YouTube is allowing us to use it sort of like a blog, which actually is kind of nice. Okay, when this dries, we'll be back to add some pastel to this clump of sweet peas.